ರೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲ ಇರುಕಾ? ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. Guys, it is so freaking cold. I think it's about 12 degrees Celsius as of now, and it's very cold, guys. Like my nose, it feels frozen and my hands are slightly numb. I shouldn't have worn what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a half sleeve t-shirt track because I thought I had a good feeling that it's going to pour, and I thought I don't want to. What's the point of wearing dry clothes? What's the point of wearing nice clothes when it's going to get wet? The roads are fine. I mean, like they're really narrow. If one car comes, it's going to be super hard. If one big car comes, it's going to be super hard for another big car, or even a small and small also. It'll take a little slowing down and judging and going. But this, guys, trust me, it's super hard. The locals who drive here often, really, it's a pretty big challenge, but I'm pretty sure they're used to it and now they know exactly how to do it. But traffic jams in these roads are very common, and surprisingly they handle it really well, because when I was entering Tamil Nadu, the highways like Salem highway and all of that, the driving was terrible, guys. Like people just used to walk across whenever they felt like, and I think I jinxed it. It started to drizzle now, and it's super cold. That strong wind that I get while I'm riding plus the drizzle really makes it very hard to not feel cold. Guys, it's so cold. It took me a day to get used to the weather. Now that I'm used to it, that's why I'm riding like this. Like it's drizzling and really chilly, I'm still fine. Like I'm wearing a t-shirt and all of that. Oof, nice. So guys, this ride has always been only about the views, and just check this out. Nice view. Just check it out, guys. Nice view, da. Guys, it's just too cold right now. I thought I got used to it, but it's getting very chilly now. I need to check the temperature. I am pretty sure it's around 12 degrees Celsius. If it's somewhere around 15 or something, then it's just embarrassing, because I was thinking I could handle better. So we're just 4.5 kilometers away. Will take us about 9 minutes. Oh, pretty afraid of potholes now onwards, guys, because as you guys would have seen on day 1 while traveling to Kodai, Rishabh's street ripple hit a pretty bad pothole, and his front alloy is bent. Luckily he's not experiencing any wobble, otherwise we would have to stop and change the alloy or repair it. But the thing with repairing is they're anyway just going to heat it up and hammer it, which is terribly dangerous, because it compromises the structural integrity of the alloy. Roads are starting to get very wet now. They were just moist, now they're properly wet, because it's been drizzling for an hour now. I'm gonna stay a little away from Rishabh, because both of us don't have tail tidies, and I know what the pain is of tailing a person without a tail tidy. I mean with a tail tidy. Tailing a person who has a tail tidy. Oh my god, I just want to go down, sit and eat, because we haven't had any food, and it's I think 1:40 now. Very fun, guys, today. Like even though we haven't even reached the spot yet, I had fun riding in the thick vegetation and roads. I like riding on roads covered with very thick vegetation. That's a very simple way of putting I hate the highways. If given a chance, I would not mind moving in here, because you don't get that bad network also. Like within the town you get pretty good network. Only you should be servicing the bike. I'll have to ship it down to Chennai or Coimbatore. I think Coimbatore will have the closest bike showroom. for Kawasaki. And guys, the mileage is terrible. Jeez, mileage I'm getting 14 now. But around 510 kilometers done, guys, since I left my place in Bangalore. Oh, I should go slow here. Rishabh's bag is gonna get very dirty. Don't want to put my feet down. No, you have to move. My gear lever is gonna get dirty now. But what difference does it make? These bikes become very dirty. I'm gonna have to. No. Barely made it. Roads have been destroyed by the rains. Oh my god. Guys, one thing about Kodaikanal is it attracts a lot of biking culture. Like a lot of bikers come to Kodaikanal. That's something I've noticed. Like a lot of bikers come here in good groups with heavily customized bikes. Like I would have half the stickers I only haven't seen. Like all customized bikes. Like these guys put an effort to design, to really work on their bikes. Like not only tail tidies, they do full stickering jobs, lights, plates, no tails. Like I've seen half of the R15s with that sleek R1 undertail look because they've removed the complete undertail section. I saw a Gixxer SF 150 with no tire hugger, sari guard and tail, and it was actually very impressive from the back, but from the front it's still a bulky bike. Maybe I should take Krishnan's bike and just do it, because he will never go for modding his bike, so I'll have to do it for him without his knowledge. Road nalla irukka? Okay. Seri. Little paranoid about these roads, guys. That's why I asked the locals. Oh, slipping a lot actually. And I'm not even giving any throttle, guys. Like it's going on its own. Like I've just engaged first gear and I'm just letting it go. Roads are terrible. I got out of Bangalore hoping I shouldn't feel Bangalore, but this is all okay, Bangalore isn't that bad, but still, you get my point. I cannot go inside the mud. Oh, already tires have no grip. Oh, wow, starting to get so cold. We should have actually listened to Sachin. Sachin, the one who's riding the Gixxer SF, my friend Sachin, he said, let's just take an Omni and go. Like rent an Omni. I think it's about 300 rupees for one day. That's coming to less than $100 per person per day. And we anyway end up spending more than $100 on fuel. Like at least I do, because of the mileage I get. So that might as well just go for that. Roads are good, na? Only that one stretch was bad, but otherwise really nice. And view also, and weather is so cold. Look at me, I'm only wearing this.
There is not much more traffic.
Yeah, here, that side there was a lot of traffic. This one only, no? Close, huh? Oh.
Close.
Yeah.
When it will open?
Richard didn't tell us only.
He would not know.
He's saying it's closed for a month due to COVID.
Yeah, but Richard was saying it's open.
So guys, we just had some lunch. Finally a good meal. Good meal as in, we did get food from the cottage, but I was just never satisfied with the quantity. The thing is, the four of us, so we have to share, and the person who was providing the food is actually the owner of the cottages. So it's not a hotel, like it's his wife who's preparing, so we cannot really ask for more. So that's why now we just had some lunch in a hotel, had some good non-veg food. First proper meal in Kodaikanal since I've left Bangalore. This is the warmest it gets, guys. It's about 17 degrees Celsius, and this is the warmest it gets here now. As of this week, the warmest temperature was 18 degrees Celsius. Like right now, it looks like it's in some evening time, but it's actually just 2. Guys, there's one thing that I've really noticed here. It's the lack of fear of COVID. Lack of fear, or should I say lack of precautions. Like people just tend to crowd a lot. Like it's really hard for me to find restaurants where I know there won't be a crowd. So like many times we've skipped restaurants even if it was good, just because of the crowd. Starting to feel the chills now. You know guys, I didn't even know my nose was running. Like it's numb and just felt a little ticklish, so I used my hand. Then I noticed that I have a runny nose.